Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to close your account on Yelp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer use Yelp and you want to go ahead and close your account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto Yelp. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on the Me icon. Now, once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Close Account, which is located right above Logout. Now, there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and close your account on Yelp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.